like a river attendeth my way. When sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot, thou hast taught me to say, it is well, it is well with my soul. When peace like a river attendeth my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot, thou hast taught me to say, it is well, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. Oh, it is well, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. Oh, it is well, it is well with my soul. On behalf of Emmanuel Funeral Home, we would like to present our sincere condolences to the family. We thank you so much, family, for trusting us. We want to let you know when we had Nicole, we took really, really good care of her. Thank you. Nan nom Emmanuel Funeral Home, nous voulons présenter sincères condoléances nous ensemble avec famille. Nous vous remercions en pile parce que tu fait pour funèbre en confiance. Et nous voulons faire connaître pendant Nicole te nan men nous te protéger avec en pile soin. Merci en pile. We also like to thank the pastors who did an excellent job. We thank everyone for coming from far, from nearby to support the family. We ask you to please continue to give them your phone calls and your text messages throughout this difficult time. Nous disons merci en pile avec corps pastoral là qui font excellent travail. Merci à tout le monde qui sorti loin, qui sorti près, vient supporter famille. On a demandé s'il vous plaît toujours par un appel, un texte message, ou capable d'encourager dans un moment difficile ça. At this time, we would like to present the flowers. Dans moment ça, nous présenter fleurs. Mom, you will always be in my mind, in my heart, forever. I give you this flower today to show you my love one last time. Your memories will forever be in my heart. I love you, Ma. From Zenith, a.k.a. your Zoom. On my silent days, I miss you a little louder. From your daughter, Jordania Jean. I present this flower from myself, Sejena, and my husband, also from Emmanuel Funeral Home, to stay with me and Madame Solange and the family. We thank you so much for trusting us. We appreciate you very much from Massien's family. We love you, Grandma Nico, always and forever in our hearts. From Samantha, Kylie, Riley, Ryan, Sam, our family. Rest in peace. For the foundation of strength and courage you brought in my life, you will forever be missed and loved throughout my time on earth. From Pierre-Line Jean. Losing a loved one is heartbreaking. I wish you peace and comfort during this unimaginable moment. May her soul rest in peace. From Rigo and Fiti. I am hurt, sad, and I will miss you dearly, but I take comfort in knowing that you are no longer suffering. Sleep in peace, Mama Shiri, from Sophonisha. Last but not least, from New Jerusalem Haitian Church of Belle Glade, you will always be in our prayers, family. We present to you the casket spray, also from Emmanuel Funeral Home. Thank you so much. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will have a final viewing. We're asking everyone to please remain seated as we go ahead and open up the casket. On a demandé, s'il vous plaît, nous allons gagner une dernière vue. On a demandé tout le monde nous capable de chita pour nous, pour finir blanc à bas ou toute discipline qui j'en pour lever. Si vous avez flyer ça dans main, ou qu'à font garder pour nous, s'il vous plaît. The cemetery that we'll be going to is Royal Palm Memorial Gardens. The address is 5601 Greenwood Avenue, West Palm Beach, Florida, 33407. Dans le cimetière nous parlons, c'est Royal Palm Memorial Gardens, 5601 Greenwood Avenue, West Palm Beach, Florida, 33407. We're asking everyone, as soon as you exit the church, please enter your vehicles, put in your emergency lights. We have the escorts that will be guiding us to the cemetery. Namade, s'il vous plaît, immédiatement sorti dehors, entrez dans la machine, nous mettez lumière emergency, nous gagnons escort qui a ban nous direction qui j'en pour nous lever. Namade, s'il vous plaît, immédiatement passer devant, nous pas les pièces pour nous prendre aucune photo, pas prendre aucune vidéo pour nous, s'il vous plaît. Please, para les téléphones, nous pas prendre aucune photo, pas prendre aucune vidéo pour nous, please. Bon Dieu a béni. Merci en paix.